Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful break. All right, so today I'm making this video to explain what your assignment is for today and to show you how to do it, along with how to use Google Jamboard, okay? Google Jamboard is this document, this screen right here, what I have up, and it's also attached to your assignment today. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just reading the directions. So it says directions. Describe two of the following characters. Use evidence from the text to find the character's thoughts, actions, or dialogue that proves your character's trait or feeling. All right, guys, so basically what you're doing, we've done it plenty of times before, is we're describing characters. Okay, we're describing Cecile, Delphine, Vonetta, or Fern. Okay, we want to take a look at what their thoughts are, so what they're thinking. We want to take a look at their actions, what they're doing. And we also want to take a look at their dialogue, what they're saying. Okay? Over here, it says using chapters 21 to 23, which are titled Eating Crow, Itsy Bitsy Spider, and Movable Type. Okay? Those are the chapters that you guys are going to be using for this assignment. Those are the last 3 chapters that you guys read on your own. Okay, so you're using the chapters that you've already read to complete this assignment, all right? Another thing I want you to take a look at is this star right here. It says you must describe Cecile and one of the other characters of your choice, okay? So you have to do Cecile, okay? But as it says here, you need to describe 2 characters. So if you want to choose Delphine or Vonetta or Fern as one of your other characters, that's fine, but you have to write one trait or feeling and find evidence to describe Cecile. Okay. The last thing I want you to take a look at is right over here. It says make sure you include 3 things: the trait or feeling, the evidence, and also your name. It is very important that you guys include your name in your sticky note, okay? Because if you don't put your name, then I'm not going to know that it was you that did your work, and you won't be able to get credit for your work, okay? So the best thing I can do is start off by showing you guys how I would do this. And as I show you how I would do it, I'll be able to show you the different features on Jamboard, okay? So I'm going to go right into the PDF, and I'm going to take the first sentence, actually, that has to do with Cecile. It says, the next morning, Cecile stood outside our door and said, "It's 9 o'clock. Why y'all still here?" So I'm actually going to copy this because it makes it the easiest. And right underneath Cecile, okay, I'm going to add something called a sticky note, okay? It's the one that looks like a piece of paper here. I'm going to click on the sticky note. Okay, I'm going to paste in here my evidence, okay? I'm making it yellow. I can make all of these different colors, but I'm making it yellow because I'm talking about Cecile. And here is my evidence. Cecile stood outside our door and said, "It's 9 o'clock. Why y'all still here?" Okay, so I'm going to say Cecile is responsible. In the text, it says, Cecile stood outside our door and said, "It's 9 o'clock. Why y'all still here?" Okay. Right now, I'm not having you guys explain why you think that the character is, for example, responsible. All I want is the trait that you're able to infer, the evidence, and the last thing, as I said before, is your name. Okay. Super important. I can tell you and I can explain right now that Cecile is responsible because she's standing outside their door in the morning to make sure that they go get breakfast. This is not something that Cecile would have done in the beginning of the book, right? She was not a responsible mother in the beginning of the book, but now she's the one waking them up and she's saying, "Why are you guys here? You guys need to go get breakfast." Okay, so that's why I think Cecile is responsible. All right, so if I click save, what's going to happen is a yellow box is going to pop up and it's going to have my my little sticky. Okay, you can move the box around, you can twist it. Okay, you can even make it bigger. Okay, we don't want to make it too big because other people need to do this too, and there's not a lot of space. Okay, but I'm going to put it right underneath the box that says Cecile. Okay, and there we go. I made my first sticky note, okay? I included Cecile is responsible, right? That's my trait. I included the evidence. In the text, it says Cecile stood outside our door and said, it's 9 o'clock, while still here, okay? And I also included my name. So I got my 3 things done. I used what she said to prove that she was responsible, all right? And the next person I'm going to choose to do is Fern. So I'm going to go back to this first page, okay? And I'm going to choose the first thing that Fern says on the first page of Eating Crow, okay? This is also page 87, okay? It says, Vanada pointed to me. It's her fault. Fern joined in. All her fault. I'm going to copy what Fern says. I'm going to add another sticky note, paste it in there. I'm going to say, Fern is a copycat. In the text, it says, Fern joined in, all her fault. And I'm going to put the last thing, which is my name. And Fern is the color blue, so I'm going to make this sticky note blue. I'm going to save it. You'll see that it pops up over here. You need to cancel the next one, and then you just need to move it on over underneath Fern's box. Okay, again, I can twist it around. Okay, I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. But when you guys are posting, I want you to kind of try to stay underneath the columns that you're doing. And that's pretty much it, okay? As you can see, Google Jamboard, it doesn't scroll. There's no way to scroll up and down. So the only way to really do this so that all of you guys can fit your sticky notes in there is for me to have made different pages. So if you go up here and click the next one, you're able to add different things here, okay? You can add it on the next page or add it on the next page. I included 4 different pages so that you guys can all add at least 2 descriptions of your character, okay? So let's not forget the 3 things that you have to include are your trait or feeling, your evidence, and your name, okay? One more time, I'm going to show you how to add a sticky note. You're going to add your sticky note right here. This is my sticky note. I'm going to add my name to that. Otherwise, you won't know who did it. Again, it popped up over here. I'm going to cancel my sticky note maker, and I can put it right under here. Okay, that's how you would continue to add your sticky notes. Sticky. Right? Again, I would add it right underneath here. Okay, I could twist it around a little bit, make it look cute. And that's pretty much it, okay? Don't worry about the other icons for right now. There's all different things that you could do with a Google Jamboard, but for right now, all I want you to focus on is adding that sticky note, okay? Don't forget, you need to describe 2 characters, right? One of them must be Cecile. That's when you guys would all usually say Cecile, right? And another one you could do of your choice, okay? Please do not give me evidence from the beginning of the book. We are only looking in chapters 21 through 23, okay? And that's pretty much it. So again, if you guys have any questions, please join my Google Meet from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. You can email me, you can comment on this assignment, okay? What you'll notice is that other people might be editing this document while you are. Just make sure that you keep to yourself. Okay, you're focusing on your part of the assignment because I'll have this open all day. So I'll be able to see what you guys are saying, what you guys are adding, okay? And just use it appropriately as you would be using a Google Doc, okay? All right, guys, have a wonderful day. I hope this video helped. And again, ask me anything, all right? I will see you guys later.